Would you believe me if I said these hyper-realistic cinematic scenes were created by AI? Not shot on a camera, not made in Hollywood, just typed into a prompt. This is Google Veo3, the future of video generation.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, go to Google and search for Veo3. Click on the official link and you'll land on the Google DeepMind page. Here, you'll see two options, try Gemini or try Inflow. For this video, I'll select try Inflow. After that, click on Create with Flow. You'll be taken to the main project dashboard. But before we can start creating, there's something important to note. At the top right corner, you'll see a notice. You must be a Google AI subscriber to start generating videos. As you can see, I currently have 0 credits in my account. To proceed, click the Upgrade button. This will bring you to the Upgrade section, where you need to activate the Google AI Pro plan. Don't worry, the first month is completely free. Just click on Get Google AI Pro, then hit the Upgrade button. Enter your card details. You won't be charged for the first month, and you can cancel anytime before the trial ends. Once your account is activated, go back to the main Flow page and click New Project. Now, you're ready to start creating. You'll see 3 input options: text to video, frames to video, and ingredient to video. Note, the last 2 are only available for Ultra subscribers. We'll choose text to video for this example. You now enter your prompt in the input box. Below, you can choose how many output videos you want. I'll stick to just 1. Next, select your model. I highly recommend choosing Veo3 quality, as it provides the most cinematic results. Once everything looks good, click Go to generate your video. And here it is, a beautiful video.
Here.
Fully generated by AI. Now, let's try another prompt. This time, using the lip sync feature. For this, I'll enter a prompt where a person is speaking in a dramatic scene. Again, I'll select the Veo3 model to ensure the highest quality. As you can see, the final result looks amazing.
The new video generator has taken the market by storm, quickly becoming the most popular tool.
The visuals are sharp and the lip sync is perfectly aligned with the audio. Now, let's sit back and take a look at some of the videos we've generated using Veo3. This one's a sci-fi battle in a futuristic city. Here's an underwater fairyland full of glowing creatures. And this one is inspired by Pirates of the Caribbean, complete with ships, storms, and cinematic drama. All of these were created using just text prompts and the power of Google Veo3. If you haven't tried it yet, now's your chance. Use the free trial, explore, and start creating your own cinematic masterpieces. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.